Hello friends, welcome to Learning Well. Today I discuss about building vocabulary. I know the building vocabulary. It is very essential of our English grammar. So today I totally mention the basic things, the basic points, how to build your vocabulary and how you fluently means doom 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 rapidly you speak to someone and some else. Now I consider about 5 points in the video, so let's start. I am Vijay. So your vocabulary. So actively receptive to new words. Actively receptive, it means listening. You can see here this image. Listening, it means listening, and you must become actively receptive to new words. Word will not come chasing after you. You must train yourself on a constant lookout, and you are reading and listening for any words other people know and you don't. Listen carefully. Other people know and you don't know about that word. So that is the one things that I mentioned in this point, that is listening. So training, reading and listening. So first point, look out in your reading and listening and word that other people know but you don't know. So other people why know and you why don't know? Because your listening capabilities is low, and I think you avoid that word. So catch that word in your vocabulary list and keep on work on that word. Second, let's take let's talk about second word. So your vocabulary, read more. So read more. Where the sources, where the sources, जैसे कि for example in adult you will find most of sources of your supply of new word in books and magazines and newspaper. Your reading today largely restricted to a quick perusal of daily newspaper. You have to change your habit. Your aim is to have a superior vocabulary. You will have to make the time to read at least one book and several magazines every week. Not just this week, next week, but every week for the rest of your life. I have never met a single person who possesses a rich vocabulary. I have never met that person who possesses a rich vocabulary who was not also an omnivorous reader. Omnivorous, it means that is know everything. I never met that person. So every person beginning a first step. So you can start these sources, magazines, newspaper, always include in your habit, include your schedule. So daily routine time. So third step is add new word in your vocabulary. So keep building your vocabulary. Like this is your house and first floor, and you would like to make second floor. So that for like your vocabulary is outdated. So you would like to add some new words in your vocabulary. So rapidly you are fast in professional and job and your career, and you will get a good position. Like you must learn to add your vocabulary. And when you see an unfamiliar word, not a familiar, unfamiliar word, you just love them in a book or magazine. So don't skip over impatiently. Pause and movement and say over to yourself. Use to its sound and appearance, then over to yourself. Use its sound and appearance. Puzzle out and possible meaning in the context of the sentence, whether you come to the right conclusion or not, whether indeed you are able to come to any intelligent conclusion at all. No importance. What is important in that are by this process becoming super conscious of the word. You know about that word entirely in deep. As a result, you will suddenly notice that this very word pops and unexpectedly again and again in your reading. For now your mind has been alert to notice that. Of course, after you have seen it a few times, but you will know fairly accurately not only what it means but the many ways in which it can be used. Now take fourth point, open mind for new words. like college student. We can take a example like college student. College student always open minded, no any tensions, no any worry about anyone, and they freely accept words, and day by day they day by day they add their vocabulary in their list. So you should have to like college student. Like college student, translation of idea, just things for a few minutes of the area of human knowledge may possible unknown to you. It's like psychological, semantics, science, art, music, whatever. I take one of this area methodically by reading book in the field, and every field from the simplest to the most abstract. Several books written for the average untrained lay readers and give you both a good grasp for the subject at same time. Immeasurable your vocabulary. College student large vocabulary because they are required to expose themselves constantly, continuously to a new area of learning. You must do that same. You must do the same. Let's take 5 steps. Set your goal. You must set your goal. How the limit, how much your limit of words, sorry, not much. You must set a goal. If you do nothing about your vocabulary, you will learn at most 25 to 50 new words in the next 12 months. Conscious effort, you can learn several thousand, and a goal of finding several new words every day. Sound ambitious, but you will discover as soon as you start actively looking for new word in your reading, actively doing reading of a more challenging type. The new word are all around you. That is, if you are ready for them and understand this, vocabulary building and snowballs. Result of each new day's search will greater and greater. You provide the necessary initial push, and once you gain momentum, and once you become dedicated to looking for, finding, and taking possession of new words, and this is one addictions well worth cultivating. So addiction is a cultivating and worth cultivating. So set your goal, and always include that word in your life. Practice and use all senses in your body, all senses, like reading, like reading, talking, interacting, and watching. All sense use it in all sense must have to use for vocabulary, so you will remember for a long time. So this is the 5 golden rules, yeah, you can say five 5 points for achieving a great building of vocabulary. Active, respectively, must read more, add word in your vocabulary, open mind, must set a goal, and destinations what? Success. So you will get a success. So now I so please, if you like the video, like if you like the video, please subscribe the video and like the, I know you will like and share the information, because knowledge is valuable, knowledge is priceless. You must and you should have to spread the knowledge to everyone. So keep learning, keep smiling, and always spread the knowledge to near and to world. Bye bye, sweet.